Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to be making a souped-up bus on Build-A-Boat. Me and Kyson are going to be upgrading a bus I made a while ago that I never finished.
You're dumb. Restart the video, freaking idiot. No, don't restart it, but bro, you're dumb though. You gotta say welcome back to the dude's channel.
You just did an intro for me.
Yeah, okay.
No, let's just go and load this up already.
Justin.
What?
Is that some good content?
Huh?
Is that some good content?
Really?
What? Spawn type 1. Okay, good job. Justin, we're only gonna put the two purple rockets on the back for now, though, to take us to that. And then we might show you guys a little secret later. Right, Justin?
Let me pause the video and then you can tell me what you mean. Kyson, get out of that chair, you ding dong. That's the chair to that car, not the thing.
Why is the chair to the car on the ground?
It's a RC thing. Like, if I don't want to be in that and go and troll people, I can get in that thing.
I'm good. Oh, okay, good job. You already put the purple rockets on that.
Not yet. I think that's perfect, is it?
I say we put the two red blocks front too. Those run out of gas.
These ones are not going to run out of gas. They take us to the end every time. Just one of these can take you to the end and back.
Alright, I'm gonna go put the pilot seat in. Actually, I can't. Never mind. I gotta zoom in on my camera so see what I'm doing. Unanchor the crap real quick, dog.
If I unanchor it, it'll fall and everything will be cattywampus and uneven, like with the chair and stuff.
Oh yeah, because it's just gonna blast off. Alright, here I'm putting in the pilot.
We're blasting off again. Don't delete that one chair because one of us can drive and then one of us can fly.
Alright.
Why are you placing blocks down?
Bro, I didn't mean it. I was trying to click on the star.
Also, we should probably put some more chairs down in case these ones break. Because sometimes these things break.
Oh, we're good. We're gonna be fine, dog. What do you mean?
I know, but still it's better with gold chairs, though.
I doubled down on the seats.
Do you want to launch or just unanchor everything?
It's just I'm gonna anchor it.
But then you can't see the bar on the side, though.
What?
But then you won't be able to see the bar on the side, though.
The what on the side? Oh yeah, okay. Bro, what are you doing? Alright, here, I'll walk.
Dang it! Now the jets aren't connected to my chair. Right.
The jets are connected to your chair?
I think. Nope. I think we forgot to connect the chairs and someone isn't... Frick. Take off... Oh, there we go.
Oh, did you just click on it?
Yeah, I think.
Alright, go into that and I'll fly up. Yeah, there you go, fly up.
This bus sucks balls at flying. Ah!
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's because the freaking car can.
Get down, go down. Oh, frick. In the map. Guys, control it.
I'm controlling it, that's you. Actually, I am controlling it, I think. I think. Oh!
Kyson, pull up.
I can't pull up into the map.
Yeah, you can. Okay, Let me take control again. Let me just, take a small piece of mother freaking Rubber Danny Chicken Jr. My balls.
There is no pulling up when it comes to freaking only 2 rockets. Oh my god! This was complete now. Alright, I'm just gonna probably reset.
I got it. But actually, we still need to reset though. Kyson, stop pulling the.
Let's reset your character. I just did.
I mean that. Frickity frick. There we go.
Bro, Justin, why are you cussing on cam?
I said frickity frick. I didn't say FEDFF. No. There comes other vehicles. There's this one guy with a minigun asking, just wondering what the heck is going on with all these vehicles. You freaking...
Oh, you made it back, Justin?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's take this thing and go show them a surprise.
I dibs on flying because I... Actually... You know what, you can try to fly if you want.
Where's the pilot seat at?
In the front of the car plane, ding dong.
In which seat? There's only a driver's seat.
That's the seat. It's not propelled by jets. It's propelled by balloons and rudders. Kyson, wait up for me!
This thing's backwards. Sorry.
Wait for me!
I'm turning around.
But I'm not in the vehicle.
Oh. Well, why don't you come get in?
Boy, I'll just reload this on you right now.
Please, bro, we already messed up once. Here, I'm on this island. Just come over here.
No, you come back over here. This guy really took that dang bus. Did he? Yeah, he did. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely reloading. Come on.
Okay, I'm coming, dog.
Hey guys, how much you want to bet I can drive this thing to the secret part without crashing, even though I haven't driven it in a year, so I barely drive it. It was one of my first creations. How much you want to bet I can do it? Well, if you think I can do it, smash that like button. Okay guys, we're coming up onto that one stage that I was telling you about with that secret.
What the hell we're talking about?
So, if you have a cannon or something, Gyson, it's your cue to shine.
Where is it at? You mean that thing?
Yeah, that door.
I can't.
Fire at it.
I broke it.
Okay, let's go in. Frick, there goes my pilot seat. Frick. Come on, get out.
Alright, Justin, I'm in.
There should be a sword. Frick. Frick! Oh, wait, there it is.
Yep, got it. Oh, don't I have to defeat the goddamn people?
Yeah.
I need help, Justin. They're coming.
Where'd you find this thing at? Was it, over here?
I don't know, I just got it.
By walking around or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute, I don't think... Oh, wait, there it goes. I get it. Die, criminal scum. Crumb Sickles, come get my balls. I've defeated you once, and I'll defeat you again. Also, another tactic is you can literally just go to the top of the wall and wait for them. After you get the bow.
What's up?
You get a bow and arrow and the sword.
There shooting cannons at us. Dead.
Slaughter them! Oh, these doors are gonna open up again.
Just which one will?
Archers this time.
Where's our bow? Oh, I got a bow.
Me too. So at this point, you can technically camp up there on top of the wall and take them down. Here, I'm gonna pause the video, guys, and then I'm gonna be back with you once I take down this herd. Guys, so you want to get here on the wall, if you have these wings or whatever, and then just shoot them from up here, if there's any wizards. I'm just running like a crazy maniac. Yeah, oh frick, we have all 3 doors this time, I think. Oh frick, little midget man, I'll take care of them. Oh frick, actually, never mind.
Guys, watch out.
Kyson, now that you got the chest, run for your life. My wings just broke, so I can't really protect you. Now we gotta go and defeat all these people.
I do?
Yeah, or it won't count. Like, if you reset, it won't count unless you actually defeat them all. Crap, wizard. Wizard, wizard! Wizard! Run!
I killed the wizard!
Guys, I'm about to die.
I killed a wizard.
Carson, I'm about to die.
Where you at?
I'm over here. I already have this, so it doesn't matter if I die, but you need to finish them all off. So I'll probably have to fly back on over here.
I'm at 1 health.
Me too. Here, Kyson, where are you? Are you
I'm up here.
Oh, okay.
I still have wings.
Ah, frick. I shall kill all. Oh, frick. Frickity frick me. I keep forgetting I don't have a bow and arrow. I died. I'm gonna fly back. Guys, I'm gonna edit this part out now, but, I'll be back. I'm gonna be back at the end of the video. Okay, bye.
Isn't it,
Well, guys, see y'all. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Bye.